I finally managed to find a doodle buddy. I'll call this series Doodle Buddies, and I'll try to find other people I can draw with, other artists, or even people that haven't drawn much before. But in this video, my friend, she hadn't drawn in a while, she hadn't had much practice, so I told her not to really worry about it, to just put something on the paper because we're just doing this for fun and we're not doing this as a big art project to try to do the best we can. All that we're doing is just throwing some lines on the paper, just relaxing and enjoying the moment of drawing. It was very different drawing with someone there beside me. I'm used to drawing by myself in complete silence, or I'll have music on. It took some getting used to, but after a while, it didn't bother me so much. I look forward to doing more of these, and finding other people I can do drawings with. We just talked about random topics and how our day went and some of our plans in the future. I was telling her about my plans with my channel, and during the drawing process, we decided to mix things up. I worked on some of her drawing and we mixed it together, and she worked on some of my drawing and we worked that together. Our drawing styles are very different. She tends to draw more figure drawing and drawing people, whereas most of my drawing is abstract. Although I do portraits and everything, and I do realism, it was interesting to see how our artwork went together. Although I wasn't too worried about the final product of the drawing, I was curious at how this would look in the end, how our drawing styles would match up, and how this would all look. It did take some getting used to try to multitask between drawing and talking to someone. As I said before, I was used to just being completely by myself, with silence or just listening to music. I'd like to find a group of people that I can do a big drawing with. Maybe do a mural or paint a mural. Although I don't have much experience with painting, I've always been better at drawing and doing abstract and doodling and a little bit of portraits here and there. I would also mention that for two people to draw right-handed, it was a bit complicated as well to draw on one piece of paper. It might have been easier if she was sitting on the other side or if she drew with her left hand, but we were both right-handed, and the way that my table is set up, there's no way for someone to sit on the other side because my table is against the wall. But I do have another table that's a smaller one. Next time I'll use that table, and I'll have the person sit on the other side. If you'd like to collaborate and do a drawing with me, just let me know. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna head out there and try to find me some doodle buddies. A group doodle or a double doodle. It doesn't really matter as long as I can doodle.